Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to request money through Zelle with Fifth Third Bank. Open the website, then log in with your user ID and password. Once you're logged in, you will see several tabs at the left side menu. Click on the tab that says Send Money with Zelle. Now you will see several options. Click on the option that says Request. Then enter the recipient's information. If you're requesting money to a business, click on the tick box next to Business. If not, then enter the first name and last name of the recipient on the fields under First Name and Last Name. On the third field, enter the phone number or email address of the recipient. After entering the recipient's information, click on Next. Now enter the amount you wish to request. After that, click on Next. Review the request information. You may also state the purpose of the request by entering it on the field below that question. What's this for? After reviewing and if everything looks good, click on Request. That's how you request money through Zelle with Fifth Third Bank. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles.